Finding affordable health insurance is essential for managing healthcare costs and ensuring access to necessary medical services. Various types of health insurance plans and accounts can help individuals and families cover their healthcare expenses while providing flexibility and financial protection. Key components of affordable health insurance include health savings accounts, or HSAs, flexible spending accounts, or FSAs, and understanding out-of-pocket costs and insurance premiums. HSA versus FSA. Health Savings Plan and Flex Savings Account Plan. A health savings plan refers to any plan that incorporates an HSA, allowing individuals to save money for medical expenses with tax benefits. These plans typically require a high-deductible health insurance plan, which means lower monthly premiums but higher out-of-pocket costs before insurance kicks in. Flex Savings Account Plans, or FSAs, offer a way to save pre-tax dollars for medical expenses but come with a use-it-or-lose-it policy for the funds, adding a layer of urgency to spend the money within the plan year. Out-of-pocket expenses are costs that individuals must pay for healthcare services beyond what is covered by their insurance plan. These can include deductibles, co-payments, and co-insurance. Understanding these expenses is crucial for budgeting and managing healthcare costs effectively. For example, deductibles are the amount you must pay before insurance coverage begins, while co-payments are fixed fees paid at the time of service. Co-insurance is a percentage of the costs you share with your insurer after the deductible is met. Out-of-network coverage refers to medical services provided by healthcare providers who do not have a contract with your insurance plan. Using out-of-network services often results in higher out-of-pocket costs compared to in-network services. Insurance plans may cover a portion of these costs, but usually at a reduced rate, leaving the insured responsible for the difference. It's important to understand your plan's network and coverage to avoid unexpected expenses. Insurance premiums are regular payments made to maintain health insurance coverage. They are typically paid monthly and are necessary to keep the insurance policy active. Premiums are distinct from out-of-pocket costs such as office co-payments, which are fixed amounts paid at the time of medical visits. Co-payments help manage the costs of routine visits and services, while premiums cover the broader cost of the insurance policy itself. Aetna, United Healthcare, Blue Cross Blue Shield, and Cigna are prominent health insurance providers, offering various plans that cater to different needs and budgets. Each company provides a range of options, including individual and family plans, employer-sponsored plans, and Medicare and Medicaid options. Comparing these insurers based on their plan features, network coverage, and cost can help individuals find the most affordable and suitable plan for their needs. Obamacare, officially known as the Affordable Care Act, introduced significant reforms to the healthcare system, including the establishment of health insurance marketplaces where individuals can compare and purchase health insurance plans. The ACA aimed to increase accessibility to affordable insurance by providing subsidies for low-income individuals and mandating coverage for essential health benefits. It also introduced protections for people with pre-existing conditions and expanded Medicaid eligibility. Oscar Health is a newer health insurance company focused on providing affordable and user-friendly health insurance options. Known for its technology-driven approach, Oscar Health offers plans that often feature digital tools and resources to help members manage their health care. The company's plans are designed to be transparent and straightforward, with a focus on improving the customer experience and reducing overall healthcare costs. Affordable health insurance plans are crucial for managing healthcare costs and ensuring access to necessary medical services. By understanding different types of health savings plans, out-of-pocket expenses, and insurance options from various providers, individuals can make informed decisions that best meet their needs and budget. Evaluating factors such as premiums, co-payments, and network coverage helps in selecting the most suitable and cost-effective health insurance plan. Click on the link in the description below for your free ebook titled Understanding Your Options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful insurance info and tips.